Hey, what's up guys, I'm back with a brand new video. It's time to do unbox the all new Vivo Y200, and guys, and this is a new mid-range phone from Vivo, and this phone is costing around 66,000 PKR in this price range. 8 GB of RAM with a 256 GB of internal storage. On the back looks like we have a triple cameras. So on the back we have some more specs. We have 80-watt super fast charging AI aura light on the back with 120 Hz AMOLED display on the front. Also, this phone is powered by old Snapdragon 685, and the color I have is a green color. I wish that we have more powerful SoC on this Vivo Y200, but still we have old Snapdragon 685s. So now let's quickly unbox the Vivo Y200. So first let me remove the plastic with my knife as usual. So this phone is available in two colors. I have the green color once again. So on the top we have our device Vivo Y200 in the wrapping. So here is the green color looks like, and I gotta say this phone looks really beautiful. I would say I really like this pattern on the back. Although the back is made up of plastic, we have a matte finish on the back. The frames also it is made up of plastic. So on the back we have dual cameras. Actually we have 50 megapixel main camera with aura light as well as a depth sensor. So now let's quickly boot this phone up. We also have a screen protector which is already installed. So let's see what else we get, and then the phone. So below there we have our silicone case. Also we have quick start guide with the warranty card. So here is our 80-watt super fast charger, and this is the only smartphone in this price range that give you 80-watt super fast charging with 5000 mAh battery size. Also we have our cable, USB Type-C to USB-A cable, and right there is our SIM ejection tool inside the box. So now let's put all these things inside the box. So guys, on the bottom we have our speaker, USB-C port, main microphone, as well as our SIM tray. So let's see the SIM tray. It is hybrid SIM slot or not. So it is a hybrid SIM slot, so you can use one micro SD card with one nano SIMs or two nano SIMs at the same time. Also we have a rubber gasket on this phone. Seems like we have IP54 water resistance rating. So on the left hand side we have absolutely nothing. On the top we have our another microphone, and on the back and once again we have dual cameras. We have a dual LED lights with aura light on the back as well. Volume up and volume down rocker with a power on button. It is on the right hand side. This one has an in-display fingerprint scanner. And let's talk about the display. So this phone has a gorgeous 6.67 inch Full HD Plus AMOLED with 120 Hz refresh rate, 1800 nits of peak brightness with the punch hole on the top. The bottom chin looks really average. So now let's quickly set up this phone up and then we will continue. And guys, here's the first boot of the Vivo Y200. And guys, in first impression about the display quality, this phone looks really nice, especially the bezels, even the brightness. This phone looks really bright. So here's the notification panel. We also have gaming mode. So let's go to the settings and about phone. This one is running on Android 14 with a Fun Touch OS version 14, Qualcomm Snapdragon 685 SoC. We have 256 GB of internal storage. Inside the battery section, in the battery health we have 100% battery. The fast charging it is disabled by default. Let's go to the display. So we have auto 120 Hz on default. Let's go 120 Hz. Let's see the fingerprint scanner. So the fingerprint scanner, it works fast, not the fastest I would say. Also the UI it is not the smoothest because of the Snapdragon 685. So let's see the camera. So this phone has a dual cameras. Actually we have 50 megapixel main camera. So here's the back camera looks like, and here's the portrait mode, here's the night mode, here's the video mode, and we also have ultra steady mode. The back camera maximum shoot full HD at 30 fps, and the 60 fps it is only available with a 720p resolution, which is a really disappointing thing. In the mode section we also have 50 megapixel documents, slow motion. We also have pro mode. We also have dual view video mode. So let's look at the front facing camera. So this phone has a 32 megapixel selfie camera, and the 32 megapixel does not looks really good in my opinion. It's a portrait mode and the night mode also available. So the front camera also shoot full HD at 30 fps, no 60 fps with the 720p resolution. Also we don't have any ultra steady mode with the front facing camera, and the slow motion it is not available with the front facing camera. Now let's talk about the battery size. Again, this phone has a 5000 mAh battery size, and combined with the Snapdragon 685 SoC, this phone should give you at least 1 day of battery life on heavy use without any problem. Overall, I have to say regarding the performance, it is not the main highlight of this phone. The main highlight of this phone is the design language, also the 80-watt super fast charging, but other than that I don't see anything worth it. So that's about it, and thank you so much for watching this unboxing and my first impression regarding the Vivo Y200. And do let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and follow me on Instagram as well as on X, and I will see you in my next video. Peace out.